I will tell you how to create stunning pop-up animations in Canva. Let's get started. First of all, pick any city or country picture of your choice. For example, I'm searching for Tokyo in the Elements section. And I will pick this picture and adjust it as the background. After that, I will search for another picture, this time Korea, and adjust it on the whiteboard. Finally, I will pick the last picture by searching for Japan. And I will set this one as the background exactly like that. After adding the pictures, I will go to the text section and click on Add a Heading. Then, I will write the city name Tokyo and change its font and color to white. I will also change its effect to lift and increase its intensity. Next, on another page, I will write Korea and change its font and color. Finally, on the last page, I will write Japan and also change its font and color. After that, I will decrease the video's timeline from 5 seconds to 1.9 seconds on each page. Now I will go to the text animation section and add the pop-up animation, decreasing its speed. Then, I will go to the background image animation, add the pop-up animation, and decrease its timer. I will do the same with the other pages, adding pop-up animations to them as well. Let's do that quickly. Now I will go to Transition and add the circle wipe animation, applying it to all pages. After that, I will make some adjustments to the animation by clicking on Enter and doing the same for all pages. Bingo, our work is done. Now, go to the Share button and download it as an MP4 video. Here are the final results. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.